What 10 things to know about Tokyo Auto Salon? 1. Tokyo Auto Salon has been held every year since 1983. 2. Apart from display of modified cars, there are also automotive-related businesses and events to see. 3. Tokyo Auto Salon takes place at Makuhari Messe, which is in Chiba. 4. The show is held for 3 days in January, with the first day only for the press. 5. Car girls are also a part of the show's culture. 6. You can see all sorts of weird modifications at the show. 7. Apart from the show and events itself, plenty of enthusiasts' cars are at the car park. 8. Lots of goods are on sale during the show, much cheaper than normally priced. 9. There is practically no seating, and the show is big. Be prepared. 10. There isn't much food available inside the show, at least from my experience in 2019.